Where are we, Terry? We're on the
Paseo del Prado.
Paseo del Prado, and we see this fountain. We see a dog in the water. Hello, Duba. He has a collar. He's, you know, maybe he just wants to get wet. There's Sophie trying to encourage him out. Do you see the owner anywhere? I got him. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Come here. You're not gonna bite me, are you? Come here. I got him, Jack. Come here, bud. Hey, how are you? Come here. Come here. You want to come? Come on. Come on, bud. I'm going to help you out. Come on, buddy. Let's get out of here. You don't want to be in the wet. No. Oh, is that your dog? Oh, okay. He's your dog. There we go. You can talk to him in Spanish.
Oh, this is probably like his little routine.
He probably loves it, yeah.
Hola. Oh, that is so cute.
Look at him. There he goes. All right. Okay, we can keep walking.
Wait, don't we have to save him?
No. They belong to them right there. They're okay. Let's go say hi to the owners.
Did you get a good picture of him?
Oh yeah.
That is so cute.
So let Terry talk to the owners so we can, you know, get it on tape.
He was like, what the heck, man?
Like, what are you messing with our dog for?
Stepping. That is the
Keep going.
What the heck is that?
Go talk to her. Terry. Yeah.
Disculpe, ¿es su perro? Es que estaba perdido.
Claro, yo cuando se han metido en el agua me he imaginado, digo, piensan que está perdido.
Pero está justo, ¿no?
Está encantado.
Oh, qué bueno.
Sí, bueno es para no estar contento y estar metido ahí. Con lo que se quiere. ¡Vamos!
No quiere salir, ¿verdad?
No quiere, claro.
Oh, qué
con el
bueno.
abrigo de piel que tiene.
Es un árbol, ¿no?
No.
¿Qué clase es?
Esto tiene muchas mezclas. No sé qué irlandés.
Es una mezcla.
Mezcla, tiene la tira de mezclas.
Qué guapo es.
Sí, pero mira tú qué egoísta. Le llamas nada.
Dad, look it. I'm standing in this stupid mud.
Dude. All right. Gotta walk it off now. Wipe it off in the grass.
I tried. Okay. Qué bonito.
Vamos, hilo.
¿Cómo se llama?
Hilo.
Hilo.
Hilo de hila.
Okay, muy bien. What was it? Hilo.